Hi, Mark Beaumont, founder of Lanoguard again. Just going to talk you quickly through the application tools that you can use. So if we look at this one, you see this is the standard kit that comes with the chassis kit or with the marine spray, and it's simply a trigger spray which we use. We take that off, we push that in there, and we've got a brilliant spray. This nozzle gives us a direct jet, as well as we wind it down, it goes to the fan. So it's generally really good for the whole thing. Now, if you have got, and this is not to say that you need them at all, but there are other tools that some people use. So this one here is like an underbody chassis kind of injector. So you can see here we've got an extension hose. This is a well-known brand version, and that goes on the end of that. So you can feed this into like seals and box channel and so on to get a sort of spray inside areas you can't get to. You can actually do something similar with this one as well. It's quite good if you've got to do that to have something more specific. Then over that, I mean, not a lot of here. I have one of these, so I do a lot of industrial applications of it. But this is obviously just like a fence sprayer. There's a bit of wind. So this you can pump up, or if lucky like me, you've got one that you can blow up with a compressor. You can create a pressurised tank. As you can see, it comes out the bottom, and you've got various lances. And this is a really great way of doing lots of surface really quickly. But I will again make the point that this one will do everything you need it to do. Because lastly, again, I've used this professionally, and if you're fortunate enough to have a compressor and you know what a paraffin gun is, then I wouldn't suggest that you don't use it. You know, it's a lovely way of using it. You just pour that liquid into here and you can spray it. And obviously this will atomise it as well, because it's got compressed air behind it, unlike say this one that doesn't. So just a quick run through again. This is the one we recommend for everyone. DIY, definitely. Just use this. It does everything you need it to do. You can go for something more like an underbody gun, a little mini pressure pot, which would inject into seals. Then there's the kind of fence sprayer, some people call it weed sprayer, and this is a professional one. This is on our website actually, if anyone really wanted an industrial one. And then there's just the full-blown air compressor, which of course doesn't have to be a big 50-litre one, it could be a small compressor. Choice is yours really, but I'd recommend using just a simple kit that comes with it. If you're just going to do it once and you're DIY, I don't, you know, this is an easy thing to do. Just keep it in your garage, get it out once a year and have a quick squirt, and it does the job really well. Lastly, we briefly talk about PPE. I mean, you know, it's a good idea, especially if you're crawling under a car, to be, you know, putting these on. You want that for under the car. Pair of gloves, and you know, a painter's sort of face mask like this, which of course are quite readily available now, quite a lot of different masks. So that's all the application tools.